Assalamu alaikum everyone. Samir this is the reaction back with other reaction with this amazing women. I have no idea what this. It is like it is saying like listen. I love this song. I'm like you are a big fan in this song. Oh amazing. It is actually oh man. So if you love my reaction, if you love my video, if you love my channel, you can subscribe, free share this video. You can check my gaming channel. It is video. It is here. You can subscribe me there for reaction to the I am doing. So you can follow me in Twitter, Instagram, any Facebook, be friends, family. This all about here. I want family, friends. So brother, sister, family, YouTube here. Pooh, let's start this reaction. If you love this, share this video as you can and give it love, comment, subscribe. Let's start this. Let's start. It's coming now. I think. It's coming now.
Listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I start but can't complete. Listen to the sound from deep within. It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. But now I finally found my own. You should have listened. There is someone here inside, someone I thought had died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out, and my dreams to be heard, they will not be pushed aside or pushed into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you've made of me. I follow the voice you gave to me, but now I've got to find my own. I don't know where I belong, but I'll keep moving on. If you die, if you listen to the song here in my
Holy shit. Holy shit, man, her voice was like fly with like fly with the sky. Let me be feel so amazing, so emotion. So if you love this reaction, don't forget like, comment, subscribe, share this video as you can. Give me peace, love here, and this all about here, peace, love. So if you love this, give me a hug, like subscribe, comment, like. This is it. She was amazing. She was amazing. Peace, love from me. So I will end this show. If you love this, just forget. Peace. Wow. Holy shit.